to enable Bixby on on Galaxy S25 FE, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down and select advanced features, go for Bixby, and then perform the whole setup. You can choose a language right here and then go to the next step. Move through the introduction. You will need to say exactly what is shown on the screen. Hi Bixby, set an alarm for 7 a.m. Hi Bixby, set an alarm for 7 a.m. Hi Bixby, how can I make the battery last longer? Hi Bixby, raise the volume and play music. Then you're done with voice recording, and you can choose what you need to say to wake up your Bixby assistant. Just Bixby or Hi Bixby. Finally, we need to agree to everything and then click on done, and that way our Bixby will be active. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.